Tie-Dye Reader.
Hiccup Snickup by Melinda Long. Illustrations by Thor Wickstrom. Read by Tie-Dye Reader Christy. Hiccup Snickup. Today, between breakfast and snack time, a terrible thing happened. It was a thing worse than eating spinach, worse than listening to my brother practice his tuba, worse even than having to kiss my great Aunt Hattie. I got the hiccups. Every time I opened my mouth to talk, a big hic came out. I couldn't even eat my peanut butter crackers for hiccuping. I was miserable. I asked Grandma what I should do. Right away, she said, "Hiccup Snickup, rear right straight up. 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups." 3 drops of what? I asked her. "Don't ask me," said Grandma. "It's just something my mother always used to say." She told me to say it 3 times fast, and the hiccups would go away. I decided to try. Hiccup Snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups. I walked straight into Mama. "I see you've been talking to Grandma," she said. "Did she tell you to say it 3 times fast?" "I can barely say it 1 time, slowly," I told her. She rubbed my head and handed me a big paper bag with holes cut out for eyes, and an apple. "Have you tried the paper bag trick?" she asked. So there I was, walking down the hall with a paper bag over my head, eating an apple and saying, "Hiccup Snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups. Hic, munch, crunch, hic, crunch, woof." Hiccups? It was my sister Jenny. She knows everything. Hic, I nodded. "Try drinking water from the wrong side of a cup," she suggested. Hic. I did. I got wet. The hiccups didn't go away. So there I was with a wet shirt, a bag over my head, eating an apple and saying, "Hiccup Snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups." Crunch, munch, hic. When I almost tripped over my little brother Sam. "Boo!" he yelled. I fell backward onto the kitchen floor. "What'd you do that for?" I asked him. He shrugged. "I guess scaring doesn't work after all," he said, and then walked off to raid the refrigerator. So there I was, scared to death, with a wet shirt, a bag over my head, eating an apple and saying, "Hiccup Snickup, brr, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup, crunch, will cure the hiccups, hic." My older brother Joey, who wants to be a doctor, sat down beside me. "Hold your breath," he ordered, "and stand on your cranium." So there I was, scared to death, in a wet shirt, wearing a paper bag and eating an apple, while standing on my head, holding my breath and saying, "Hiccup Snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups." That's when my dad came along. "Are you okay?" he asked. I answered. Dad helped me up and pulled the bag off my head. "Now, what was it you were saying?" I told him about Hiccup Snickup. "Oh, I remember that one," he said, "but you're missing something important." "I am?" "Yes," he answered. "Close your eyes. Take a deep breath," Mom added, coming into the kitchen. "Turn your head sideways," Joey told me. "Stick your finger in your ear," said Sam, between bites of an apple. "Hold your tongue," Jenny piped in, poking her head around the corner. "Nonsense," Grandma called from the hallway. Everybody turned to listen. Everybody always listens when Grandma speaks. All you need is a little help, said Grandma. A little help? What kind of help? That's it? From who? How? Wolf? From all of us, Grandma answered, just like this. She started out fast and got faster. Hiccup, snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups. Hiccup, snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups. Hiccup, snickup, rear right straight up, 3 drops in the teacup will cure the hiccups. We were laughing so hard by the time we were finished that I hardly noticed I wasn't hiccuping anymore. I guess 3 drops in the teacup really do cure the hiccups, I told them. Nobody answered. They couldn't. The only thing they could say was, "Hic!"
Tighter Reader.